Thank you for joining me for Workshop Workout, a YouTube channel where we pick a project and then do the project. Enjoy. Behold this beauty. I picked up a used S-Wing mallet to replace my old shitty rubber mallet. These things are super nice, but I now need to find a use for my old mallet, so that's what's going to drive us today. So I have one of these paint can keys. They get consistently lost, but they do work when they work. Forgive the pun, but the key here is to unbend the eyelet of the key so that it gives us a tang to insert into the mallet for some added strength. Well, despite the metal being shit, I did manage to get it straightened out. To insert the key, you obviously need a hole in the bottom of the mallet handle. Special for YouTube, I'm even cleaning up after I do my work. So here's the final result after hand drilling. I went in about 3 inches, which should provide plenty of strength for the key. So I use polyurethane adhesive to fill the hole and secure the key in place. You can use epoxy, but it's probably overkill for this type of application. The PU should give it plenty of strength. And here's our finished project, ready to eat up paint cans all day long. And when you're finished, remember, it's still a mallet.